Today we are making a soft, moist banana bread packed with banana flavor and crunchy topping. Welcome back to Avendu. Start by peeling and mashing 2 ripe bananas until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg until light and well combined. Now mix the egg with melted butter and brown sugar until everything looks smooth and creamy. Add the mashed bananas and whisk again. Next, add the dry ingredients and gently mix everything together. For extra texture and flavor, I'm adding some toasted walnuts and dark chocolate chips, but these are completely optional. Mix everything one last time, then pour the batter into a loaf pan lined with baking paper. And my favorite part, a layer of sliced almonds on top. Once baked, they turn beautifully golden and crunchy and give the bread such an amazing flavor. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. And here is the final result. Soft, moist, fluffy and full of banana flavor. Perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video on Avendu.